beautiful. There it is. The most beautiful. Max, you know you're not allowed to look in my special jewelry box. See this Queen of the Nile emerald? It's going to be the center stone in the Princess Cleopatra.
Hello, this is Augustus and Daddy, our 14th video, and we're looking at a dog's pancreas.
Pancreas.
Yes.
What does a pancreas do, Augustus?
It's behind the stomach and it helps you digest foods, I think, or something like that. Adults might know, kids might still have to figure it out. So, kids, ask your parents to work on that.
It produces insulin
Oh, well, that's very
and
good.
pancreatic juices.
Mm-hmm.
But we're looking at a dog's pancreas.
Yeah, so dogs, a little different from humans.
But this is the first tissue we've looked at under the microscope.
Uh-huh. And look at those nice shades of pink. And I wonder what those cones in the middle do. You know those blue lines right there? See?
These, what do you think they are?
I think they're the tubes that help make the juices go through and through to different parts in this to do the juices and stuff.
I think what you're pointing at there were the molecules.
Yeah, these are the molecules, those blue lines. Or I think it's the blood tubes. Because see, I have blue lines in my blood tubes. So it must be those. And sorry to cut this short, folks, but we really have to go. And remember 14th, and look out for more Augustus and Daddy videos. Bye-bye. And remember, it's on Microscope.
Kiss smack. Good job, buddy.
Did I do better than the other ones, Dad?